I would love to introduce to you Dr. Jingming Wang from the labs of Tim Chan and Luke Morris in HOP. And her presentation today is entitled The Magic Touch, Making Tumors with a Q-Tip.
I have been using Q-tips in my entire life. Even this morning, I use a Q-tip to fix my eyeliner. But today, I'm going to tell you Q-tips has some magical functions that you never realized. In our lab, we actually use Q-tip to generate head and neck tumors in mice. So when we talk about head and neck tumor, we're talking about tumors occurring above the clavicles, but not including the brain. So essentially, the organs are responsible for speech, swelling, and facial expression. That's why understanding the development of head and neck tumor is very important. In our lab, we found 29% of head and neck tumor patients carry mutations in a gene called FAT1. So my research project is to understand the function of the gene FAT1 in the development of head and neck tumor. So same as you only realize the importance of someone when they're gone, the best way to study the function of a gene is to delete it. That's why we generated this mouse model by deleting the gene FAT1. So in this mice, we express a protein called Cray. So the function of the Cray is working as a gene scissor, recognize and cut the specific DNA sequence, the LOXP sequence. So anything in between of these two LOXP sequence will be deleted. In this case, it's FAT1. So to regulate when and where this Cray is expressed, we connect the Cray with an estrogen receptor. So the whole system will only be turned on when the estrogen receptor is bound to a drug called tamoxifen. So the beauty of this system is it can be regulated topically. You just need to take a small Q-tip and paint it a little bit tamoxifen around the oral area of this mice, and wait for 2 months. Then you start to see the tumors growing on the areas that tamoxifen was applied. So this is really the best head and neck tumor mouse model right now, because first, it resembles human head and neck mouse model very well. Second, it is very easy and very cheap. Like, you know how to use a Q-tip, right? Then third, it also takes way less time for the tumors growth, and the success rate is surprising almost 100%. So Q-tip is really a magic tool, isn't it?